monster. I love these. Came late. My new transportation. Easy, guys. You go fishing in the back dam. Throw man, throw man. Water high. The new 4x4 to fish in. Go check out some spot. Easy way to come out back here. Love to video and ride bicycle, but you know what? Once you learn bicycle riding, can't forget. Just take no time. I've done this for a long time. So water high right now, guys. Palm Bay. While we try and see what's going on in the back here. See, Hassa nothing here. Not a fish. We'll give it a try. Give it a shot here today, guys. Look at these fish. Have you seen some of these fish? This is a weird one. I've seen this. Look at this. Looks like a sunfish. Number one problem in Florida is these boys here. They're so huge. Look at this. When you see things Hassa playing, it's not Hassa. These big smoke Hassa. Plenty in Florida. And believe me, guys, these things are big. Let me show you the size of this thing. Yep, that's what I'm saying. They're big. Monster. So I was telling you guys, fish throw, you're in for a surprise. All these creatures here. Yeah, more of these guys. I think they call them carp. Carps. A good eating fish. Let me show you how they look like. Very thick and meaty. Alright guys, looking good. Looking good. Look at these things. Monster. I love these. Came late. Just have a couple of fun. Nice one there. Watch them. Nice and big and black. Huh?
Yeah.
But you will step on those.
Fine.
Oh wow.
Black monster.
You're not too much.
Nice.
They're enough for you and him.
Yeah.
Well, guys, these are a nice Hassa. Look at the size of this. You catch these? Beautiful. It's a Steve Venture GT. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Got a little more. We split them up, share it out. It's my share. I'm gonna do a little cooking. You know how that go. So I like it fresh. Gotta have it fresh. You put it in the fridge, it's not the same. So gotta have it. Once it's jumping, gotta be in the pot. It's that time, guys, to end this video. Catch it, clean it. I'm gonna cook it. Look at this, guys. Look at it. Beautiful, fresh. What you guys see, I catch it today. You know, everybody know the cook Hassa, so I gotta show you all the little ingredients that everybody do, you know, but got your side, you got your mango, you know what I mean? All the good stuff. Everybody can cook their way. The main thing is it's in the pot and enjoy this great day. Didn't get a lot, but this is my share. I shared out with the other friends of mine that went there. This is my share is a lot. You count is about 12 in here, maybe 13. So we share like the 3 people, so not bad for a rough day. Beautiful Hassa, guys. Huge. About 9-10 inches. That's big. Who knows about that size of Hassa? That's big. Anyway, guys, enjoy the video. Till Steve Adventure again. Be back. But tasty. Wow. Gonna bust this up now. Lash up before the lash. Look at that beautiful. Alright, guys. Enjoy. Click like, subscribe. What you gotta do. I'm always there. Hope you guys like this. That's the best part, man.